This is Oscar here, Reese's Travel Pieces. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm heading down to Brawley, California. They're having a cattle call week. Today is a parade. Beautiful weather out here right now. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and let's get started on this. All right, everybody. Morning to you all. How's everybody doing today? Yeah, doing good. Anyway, I brought some banana bread for you. And here it is. Look at that. Made it last night. So you guys enjoy.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right, here's the area where we're at. Hamburguesas, hamburgers. All right. There's a parade. There's a street over there. We're going to be selling stuff. We're right there in the blue. Here we go. Westmoreland Church. Okay. And shaved ice. And then walk out front here. Show you what it looks like. People all lined up for the parade today. Police department. It's a long one. All right.
Are you helping at the church?
Yeah.
Helping them?
You guys like to be on YouTube? All you gotta do is say hi.
Hi.
All right. Hey. All right, the parade just started. Here's our Grand Marshal, George A. Nava. All right. All right. That's for all the kids. Okay. 24 times. They got a good wrestling program here in Brawley. Always been very good. Girls wrestling, section champions. Wow. Oh, last year. All right, back to back, Lady Bell, Ivy, Pearl Valley League champions.
Don't bite it. It hurt my teeth. Do it. Let me bite it.
Midwinter Fair, February 28th to March 16th. If you're here in the valley, come on down.
No, because this one already came out. It's on sweat and it was barely grown.
All right, we got Miss Borrego Springs. There's our Border Patrol agents. All right, we got the Calexico High School.
I got a hot Toy Story here.
Bulldogs. Wouldn't mind having that GTO. Even that Ford Fairlane. Me, I like cars. Now that is nice. Back there. Pacer AFC. '56 Chevy panel wagon. big ones again. Case International. Okay, elementary school. Where I went to school. Little country school. Alright, we're coming to the end now. There we go. Alright, we're down to the end. And that's it. Alright, here comes the pride of Brawley. Got the Wildcats. People. Theme of this year's parade, Rodeo Glory, American Story.